LCD replacement, and deep cleaning on MSI MS6J9 gaming laptop. Thank you, Sir Earl, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Functionality professionals ensure that the replacement is done precisely using the correct tools and quality parts, which preserves screen alignment and safeguards internal components from accidental damage. This professional intervention not only revives the screen's visual clarity, but also helps prevent further issues that may arise from a damaged display. On the other hand, deep cleaning a laptop is highly beneficial. It removes dust and debris from internal components, especially around the fans and vents, improving airflow and preventing overheating. This helps the cooling system work more efficiently, reduces fan noise, and minimizes thermal throttling. Overall, a deep cleaning keeps your laptop running smoothly, maintains optimal performance, and extends its lifespan. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. LCD replacement and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your LCD replacement and deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.